let us see how to create a new post, and then finally assert the title, description and author name of the post. Till now we were using APM desktop tool to inspect the elements. In this video, let's make use of a tool called UI Automator Viewer, which is bundled along with the ADB tools. Open your terminal and then type UI Automator Viewer. You will see a new window. In that, the second icon is used to take a screenshot of the device. You can see that the screenshot got captured and all the element and the locator values are displayed in the right side. So to create the post, first we have to click on the floating icon, and the locator for that is Fab button. After I have highlighted it, you can see the locator ID, resource ID here. Let's copy that, and after we tap on it, we see a new selection. In this, I am going to choose blog post, and you can see that the resource ID is action title, but the same action title is being used in other locations in the app. So to have something unique, let's use the Android widget text view class name, and also we are going to use the text value. This is how the XPath will look. The first place goes to the class name, which is android.widget.textView, and then we are giving a text argument which takes the value blog post. So this is the XPath which we are going to use. After user clicks on blog post, a new page is displayed. Let us capture the screenshot. Again, click on the second icon. The new screenshot is fetched. For this, you can see that we have class name Android widget edit text, and the text is app title. We are going to use the same, but for a small change, let's use the index value which is given here, which is 0. We can either use text and give the value add title, or we can use the index value. Let us use the index value in this case, and we also have a description field for which the class name is Android widget edit text and the text is start writing. So I'm going to make use of that XPath, and then finally we have this publish button in top right corner, and the locator for that is menu primary action. I have captured that. After user completes creating the post, we have to click on this post icon. The locator value of this is quick action post button. I have copied it already, and finally we are going to assert the title, description and the author name, which is, this is the title part, the journey begins, and this is the description, and finally we have date and author. In Android, there is a single locator provided which includes both date and author name. You can see that we don't have an option to just extract the author name from this. So I'm going ahead with the resource ID, date and author. Let's create a new file and then name it test Android post. I'm going to switch to the login scenario and then copy the setup and teardown methods. Now let me create a new test method and name it test Android post. Let me quickly write the script for the flow. I have completed the script. In the first step, we are clicking on the floating icon and then choose blog post from the options and click inside the title field and then send text to the title, which is hello world. And then I'm going to click inside the description field and send case as description. Finally click on the publish button. After that, we are going to hit the post button, and when we land on this published post page, we are going to assert the title, description and author name. There is, as you can see with the author name, there is the text value is a bit confusing, which includes the date and then the author name. So I'm going to ignore this alone to keep it simple. Now I'm going to add a few sleeps in between each step to ensure that the script works fine and the transition between pages are smooth. After we click on the publish button, I'm going to increase the sleep time to 5 seconds. And same way, to land inside the published post page, I'm going to add a sleep of 5 seconds. Script. I found an issue with the description locator value. This needs a fix from the developer side. So to keep this simple, I'm going to remove the description related code from the test script, and if you notice, after user clicks on publish, we show a pop-up. I am adding a action to click on the publish now button in the pop-up, and also that I have noticed that we can verify the date and author. So the text copy will be now.mobile testing, AK mobile testing. So let's go ahead and run the test script. Now we are going to get inside the post, and you can see the post which we created is showing up in the top, and we have successfully asserted the title and the date author values in the post page.